How to choose a seat on Bangkok Airways. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can choose a seat on Bangkok Airways. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your you can log in into your Bangkok Airways account. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see trip.com, you can see the different stuff, you can see the things that you can book. So to book or to choose a seat, that means that you'd have to choose a flight, right? So you have to ensure that you're on the flight tab, and to do that, just go ahead and click on flight. So to choose a seat in Bangkok Airways is not difficult. You can just choose a seat during the booking process on Bangkok Airways. All right. So now the first way after choosing your flight and you're brought to this page, the next step here is to just go ahead and select on the kind of trip you want. Do you want a round trip, a one-way trip, or a multi-trip? Select the one you want. You have to select where you're heading from and also where you are going to. So you can just select a destination. So after selecting destination, next select your checkout and your check-in time. And then after you've done that, you have to edit the passenger too. And then once you're done, click on search. And once you click on search, you'll be redirected to a page where you would see the flights available and the prices and the hotels, etc. But before then, just wait patiently for it to load. So once it has loaded, you can see by the left side of the screen, you can make use of these filters to select the kind of flight that you want. All right. And then after you're done, you can just come over here and, select the flight that suits you. So after selecting the flight for going, you have to select the flight for coming back as well. Just go ahead, select it. Then you'll be asked to select the kind of class you want. If you want economy class, just select the one that appeals to you. Then click on book. After clicking on book, you'll be redirected to another page entirely. On this page, you'll be asked to check out the price details and all, and then you'll be asked to you can see trip to London, who is traveling, ensure you input all of this. But currently the flight I choose has been checked out or has been gotten. So you can just search for other flights. And then once you're on this page and you've selected the flight, just go ahead, search it out, and then continue the booking process. Then you get to a stage where you'll be asked to choose a seat. Okay, so you can just select your preferred seat. And notice that there are some seats that you choose that would add up to the amount that you have to pay for the trip. Just go ahead, select the one that you can afford, and then you would be fine. So this is basically how you can choose a seat. But then if you've booked a flight already and you still want to choose a seat for that flight, it's not difficult. Just go to the top right side of the screen where you can see your account and then click on it. Once you click on it, click on my bookings. All right, and then you'll be taken to your bookings page. On this page, you'll see all of the bookings you have. Just go ahead, select the booking that you would like to choose a seat for. Once you select the booking, you'll be directed to the page where you'll see details about this booking, and then from there you'll be able to choose a seat. So that is it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.